What is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're actually going to dive into 3 early SB Dunk glows. We're just going to review each one, kind of discuss the rumored release date for each one, and just kind of discuss the order of these releasing, each pair, it in hand, and really just if you guys like these pairs, hey, let me know down below, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you all do want more content like this, again, these are some sick pairs, man. You probably can't see them fully right here, but hey, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal that we always shoot for is 300 likes. My bad, I don't mean to yell right there. I got roommates, so I gotta chill. You know what I mean? It's still a little bit early over here, but if y'all want to check out my Instagrams down below, feel free to do that. We got tons of stuff for sale there. Also, my Whatnot Labs, we should be back on there tomorrow, so make sure you guys don't miss out for the sudden death pandas and other things that we got coming up. And if you guys got any questions, again, feel free to ask them down below, whether it's sneaker related, anything like that. Hit me on my IG as well. Again, I know I just said that, but we got tons of stuff for sale there, so just check my story. No shortage of items. If you're interested in anything, hit me up, shoot me a DM, and we'll get back to you. And yeah, that's really everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy. We'll get into reviewing these early SBs. Excuse me, I cannot speak. And let's go. So again, as you guys can see, we do have 3 pairs right here. Here, I'm gonna try and fit them all in my hand. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. But aside from that, you guys can see what we got right here. So we have, okay, I'm still working on it. There we go. Now we got it. So you can see we got the Verdugo Mountains SB Dunk low. That's the green pair. We have the Krampus SB Dunk low. That's the pair in the center. And then we have the Bronx Girls Skate SB Dunk low, which is the one, again, you guys see all the way over there on the right. So hopefully I'm reading that right. My bad, it might be like right to left or something. But you guys know which pair is which. So the first one we'll dive into, again, it's the one in the middle. It's the one in the middle. You know what? We'll discuss this one first. I actually posted a reel for these in my IG yesterday. If you want to go check it out, feel free. And we posted a reel with all of them together. So again, if y'all want to check out any of that, it's all there down below. But you guys can see what we got right here with the Krampus SB Dunk low. So you got kind of that cracked look, again, on the whole outside of the sneaker throughout the shoe. There's really the main look that we have with the shoe. Again, it's that kind of cracked leather look. Hold up, let me get that to focus. But yeah, now you can see it. That's really the look that we got because, well, it stands for my guy Krampus. As you guys can see, he is right there on the insoles. We got some unique insoles with these, do not forget. Also there by the heel, you guys can see that orange embroidery. You can also see right there on the tongue tag. Pretty simple, pretty easy to wear. So yeah, I mean, again, no complaints. A very simple, easy to rock colorway. You guys can also see what we got on the soles right there. That kind of bright red center along with, again, kind of that burgundy look throughout the whole entire sole. And just, again, a very easy to wear sneaker. I think that's one of the main things we can all say about this shoe. It doesn't look too hard to put on. It is unique though, I will say that. You look at it up close, you're like, okay, hold up. These got a little bit more to them. And yeah, I think, again, it might reveal something underneath as well. I haven't really checked because, well, I want to keep my pair new, you know what I mean, in case I end up towing these. But once I wear them, then we'll figure that out. You guys can also see on the insoles, not the insoles, inside of the tongue tag, you can see it says not surprised right there. So another unique detail. These got a lot to them. I expect them to do well. The rumor date, I hope these drop around Halloween because, I mean, that would make the most sense. But the rumor date is around October. So we're going to see if these end up dropping near Halloween or a little bit after. I've also heard November as well. So these are going to be coming between October to November. So just understand that. And you guys see we got another unique detail right there in the tongue tag. Hopefully that's focusing as well. It kind of reminds me of like a, it's a weird description, but like a dungeon cage almost. Like, I don't know, I get like horror movie vibes from the shoe. So yeah, very, very nice sneaker coming soon. Don't miss it. The Krampus SB Dunk low. Hopefully that's focusing. There we go. And yeah, don't forget it, guys, because these are definitely, I don't know why it keeps focusing on the Soul 2.0 box. It always does that there in my videos, but yeah, coming soon. Make sure you guys are ready for this one. Let's get into the next pair though. Next up, these ones are actually going to be the ones that we have coming, I don't know how to say this. It's going to be the soonest one. The one's coming soonest, basically. We have the Verdugo Mountains SB Dunk low. Again, keep in mind these are dropping in September. As you guys can see, the kind of light green colorway. So these are actually dropping this month towards the end, I believe. You guys can see unique detail right there by the heel. Also the details we got on the inside of the sole right there. You guys can see the guy on the bike right there. You got the mountain range in the background. You guys see it says Nike SB right there. Of course, you got the bike right there. Well, for the Verdugo Mountains, you know what I mean? A lot of people go mountain biking there. Is that going to focus on me? There we go. Alright, so we got that one, and the other one has the mountains on it. My bad, I only got one pair out right now. The other one's in the box, but yeah, that's really what we got with this sneaker. You guys can see also the silver swoosh as well. Not a bad detail, something very, very simple, easy to rock. And also here on the soles, you guys can see the all black soles, so they kind of lime green center. Same as, again, the top of the sneaker, really what we got all throughout it. Exact same thing right here. So again, just keep that in mind. That's really what we got with this pair. Again, this is going to be the one that we have coming in September. So these ones, again, are going to be dropping first in terms of all the pairs we're showing here. This will be the one that's at the top of the list. So just keep that in mind. And well, in terms of hype, it's not on top of the list, but the one that, again, is going to be the releasing the soonest time from this video. It's going to be this pair right here, the Verdugo Mountains SB Dunk Low. They're rumored to drop towards the end of this month. A very clean, nice personal pair. I definitely would not mind grabbing a pair of these at retail. I will say that. I will not. Hey, I know these definitely for retail. I would grab a pair. So that's what I think about these. Again, coming soon this month, Verdugo Mountains Nike SB Dunk Low. Very simple, easy to put on colorway. That's why I like them. These seem comfy. So I'm going to get a pair for that. And finally, the last one that we got right here, is the Bronx Girl Skate and Nike SB Dunk Low. You guys can see these are very, very unique as well. Each pair, again, has a unique outside. The colors are different in each one. You guys can see right here by the heel as well. You guys can see it says New York right there. That tag, I do not believe, is removable. I will eventually check for you guys. But yeah, when I'm looking right now, it does not look removable, not from what I'm seeing. So looks like the tag stays on at least, but you can choose, if you want to keep it on or not. So you guys can see again what we got right there. You can see it says Nike, the red and green look, the white swoosh, how that kind of hits off the black background. And you guys can see, look at the leather on these. I mean, again, just a crazy choice of material they decided to go with. Like, you can feel it. It's, I don't know, it's like scaly almost. But yeah, it makes the shoe pretty crazy. And of course, the black really, really stands out. I don't know why. It just helps it stand out a little bit more and helps the swoosh and the other colors that are on the sneaker stand out. You guys can see it also says BXGS for Bronx Girls Skate Club. I'm not sure if that's visible. Is that visible? There you go. As visible right there. So hope you guys can see it. It says Bronx Girls Skate Club. Your boy needs to cut his nails. We will do that tonight. But you guys can also see what we got right there on the tongue tag. You guys can see it says the same thing as it said right there on the front. BXGS for Bronx Girls Skate Club. And you guys can see it has some unique details on the insoles as well. Take a look at that, man. Take a look. So, as you guys can see, what we got. Look right here. Just trying to give you all the best view here. Let me see if I can peel this all out. So it says I am because we are. I believe that's what it says. And then it says Kara. And then you guys can see it shows the kind of like global atlas or like the map right there. So I thought that was kind of cool. You know what I mean? It shows a little map. Right. And then you guys can also see on the tongue tag right there, you guys can see it says Nike SB. And then I believe it says Bronx Girls Skate Club again. So you guys can see, or just says Bronx Girls Skate. So another, again, detail to show it's a collaboration. You guys can also see what we got right there on the tongue tag and everything else with this sneaker. The insoles are also unique. Don't forget, one has the train, the other says G5, and then, or no, the other one has the train as well, but it says GS. Sorry, no, I thought it was G5. That's what I thought it originally was, I think, in the first video I made. But again, it's BXGS for Bronx Girls Skate Club, and you guys can see that detail is also present right here on the soles of these. This is probably the craziest pair out of all of them. This is probably the one that will do the best, be the hardest to get, have the most hype, just because of the unique details, and of course people, and any type of sneaker that has a collaboration with like something New York related tends to do really, really well. So that's really what I just have to say about this sneaker right here. Again, it's probably going to do well, again, be the hardest one to get. I don't have an exact rumor drop date for this one. I believe it's more or less towards December, so this is going to be more or less a holiday release, but definitely ready for these ones right here, because yeah, they're going to be hard to get, and you already know these are going to do some numbers. These are going to do some numbers for sure. So just make sure you guys are ready for that, because no doubt that this will probably be the hardest one to get of them all, unless it's the Krampus, but unless they do like none of those. But my guess is it'll probably be these. These are very unique. Each one kind of hits a little bit different, and each insole is unique. Same with each detail on the sneaker. Just there's a lot to this pair. I see this one doing the best. But that's really, again, what I think about. Let me grab all these pairs right here. These early SB Dunk Lows. Again, these three pairs coming to the Bronx Girls Skate Club SB, the Krampus SB Dunk Low, and the Verdugo Mountains SB Dunk Low. Let me know which pair you guys are most excited for. We're just stacking them up right here, and let me know what you guys are ready for. Again, feel free to subscribe and like down below if you guys want more early SB Dunk Low content like this. Check out my IG down below. Again, we got tons of stuff there for sale today, so if you guys want to check that out, again, just check my story. If you were to hit me a DM, shoot me a DM if you're interested in anything, let me know. We'll get that to you. And what I was going to say, oh yeah, my lives, we'll be back tomorrow, so again, feel free to check that out down below. If not tomorrow, then tonight, so you guys will see some sudden death pandas there whenever we're ready. And yeah, that's really everything I need to say, guys. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these pairs. I'm literally just trying to keep them stacked up in my hand to keep falling while I'm talking here, but hey, we'll keep it together, and just let me know what you guys think. So I'm T. Thank you all as always. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. Let me know which pair is your favorite. Alright, sorry. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Peace out.